Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Invitation for bids, Zanzibar Energy Sector Transformation and Access Project. The Revolutionary Government of Zanzibar, through the United Republic of Tanzania, has received financing from the World Bank for the Zanzibar Energy Sector Transformation Access Project, ZESTA. This initiative aims to facilitate the design, supply, installation, testing, commissioning, and initial operation of a solar PV plant located in Makunduchi, Zanzibar. The Zanzibar Electricity Corporation, ZECO, is the implementing agency for this project and is soliciting sealed bids from eligible bidders for the aforementioned tasks. Bids are due by January 31, 2025, at 10 a.m., with the invitation published on December 16, 2024. The project involves constructing a greenfield solar PV power generation plant rated at a minimum of 18 MWp, situated on land identified and owned by the Revolutionary Government of Zanzibar. The EPC contractor will be responsible for an initial operation and maintenance period of 3 years, ensuring optimal performance and managing any operational challenges. Given that photovoltaic technology is relatively new to Zanzibar, the contractor must also provide thorough training to ZECO personnel. This training will encompass both theoretical and practical components, empowering ZECO staff with the skills required for independent operation and management of the facility post-handover. For further inquiries, interested parties can contact Olize Lucas Laizer at the provided details.